Hello Skywinders, and welcome back to another episode of Skywind007. On today's episode we're going to be looking at this right here that I got a while back ago, and that my nephew's been using for a while. So before we move on to examining this device, it's a fake fish tank, as you can see. You know it's fake because the fish are not moving. Let's look at the website on Amazon and see the advertisement for it. Okay, so this fish tank that I just got right here, which is a fake fish tank, of course, is one of these right here. This one for $29.99. It was the most popular one, I think. Had over 2,000 sales, and I had an interest in all of these, and I'm probably going to buy another one, but definitely this is the one that caught my attention right here, and we're going to see if it's any good. So this is how it looked like on the website on Amazon. Okay, so we're back, and let's look at it. Let me turn off let's turn it on with the lights on. You can't even tell that it's on. It's just moving. So let's turn off the lights and see how it looks. Okay, so that is that. If you look at it from any angle, you can see it. So it does look kind of nice. You can't hear any noise, so that's okay. From the top it looks like that, and from the bottom it looks like that. So it is acceptable. So I will be buying another one, not the same one. I'm going to be buying the jellyfish type from Amazon, and I'll review it. If I like it, I'll review it. If I don't like it, I won't review it. So thank you for watching, subscribe, and thumbs up.